Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I have come here with a new topic for class 7 from literature book, and the topic is The Dad and the Cat in the Tree. This is a poem which is written by Kit Wright. So this is a humorous and very interesting poem. It's all about a cat who got stuck on the tree and father tries to rescue the cat. Let's see what all efforts are made by father to rescue the cat. Let's go through the poem once. This morning, a cat got stuck in our tree. Dad said, "Right, just leave it to me." So here the cat is stuck on the tree and the father says, "It's okay, just leave it on to me. I'll just try to rescue the cat." The tree was wobbly, the tree was tall. Mom said, "For goodness sake, don't fall." So the tree was wobbly here means shaky. So the tree was shaky and it was even tall. And the mother warns the father as she was very concerned about the father. So she warns him that please don't fall from the tree. "Fall," scoffed Dad. "A climber like me, child's play this is. You wait and see." So the father was laughing and he was mocking. He said, "Fall, a climber like me." He says that a climber like me cannot fall from the tree. Child's play this is. By child's play, he means that this is very easy for him to climb the tree and to rescue the cat from the tree. "You wait and see." So he says to mother that you wait and watch and I'll rescue the cat. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped, he landed in the flower bed. So students, what had happened that he has brought the ladder so that he can climb up the tree. But unfortunately, it slipped and he had landed in the flower bed. He has fallen in the flower bed. As you can see in the picture that the father has fallen in the flower bed. "Never mind," said Dad, brushing the dirt off his hair and his face and his trousers and his shirt. So you have seen that the father had fallen in the flower bed. Now while getting up, he brushes off the dirt from his hair, from his face, from his trouser and from his shirt. "We'll try plan B, stand out of the way." Mom said, "Don't fall again, okay?" So now father had plan B to rescue the cat and he says that we'll try the plan B, and he says everyone to get aside so that he can carry out his plan B. And the mother again warns him that please don't fall again, okay? "Fall again," said Dad. "Funny joke." Then he swung himself up on a branch, it broke. So as you can see that the mother had warned father not to fall again, but he seems to be very overconfident. So this time he jumps on a branch of a tree and it turns out to be the delicate one, and he again has fallen on the ground. Dad landed well up back on the deck. Mom said, "Stop it, you will break your neck." So here well up means to hit hard and deck means floor. So father has fallen on the ground and the mother says him to stop it, otherwise he is going to break his neck. "Rubbish," said Dad. "Now we'll try plan C, easy as winking to a climber like me." So students, now father has come up with a new plan. Even after falling twice, he didn't give up and he calls himself a climber. He says that this one is going to be the easy one and he's going to rescue the cat now with this plan. Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. So students, now what he does that he climbs up the garden wall and from there he didn't fall. So now let's see what he's going to do from there. He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk right on the cat. So as you know that the father had climbed up the wall of the garden. So from there he jumped on the tree and he landed in the crook of the tree trunk. So crook here basically means the bended part of the tree. So here you can see that the father had jumped onto the tree and he is stuck here in the bent part of the tree. So the cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground, pleased as punch to be safe and sound. So as you know that the father gave a sudden jump on the tree, so this cat got frightened, and because of that cat gave a loud cry and it jumped onto the ground. So pleased as punch to be safe and sound. So cat was very happy to be back on the ground, and moreover the cat didn't get hurt. It was safe and sound. So it's smiling and smirking. So who is smiling and smirking here? The cat is smiling and smirking. Smirking basically means to laugh at somebody's failure. Smug as can be. So smug here means to feel proud of itself. So here the cat was feeling proud of itself as it was able to manage to be back on the ground. But the poor old dad still stuck up the tree. So students, you have seen that the cat somehow managed to be back on the ground, but the father was still stuck up on the tree and he wasn't able to come out of the crook branch of the tree. With this, we have come to the end of the poem. I hope it was clear. If you have any queries, please write down in the comment section below. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care. Thank you.